Smoked Dulce De Leche Cheesecake. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're making a graham cracker crust, taking pecans, 100 grams, brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, unsalted butter melted. It's this nice gentle blend just like so. Very nice. From here, we're going to be cutting our parchment paper, placing this down onto our spring foam pan, spraying just a little bit of butter, adding in our graham cracker mix, pressing down and onto the sides just like so. Smoking this at 350 degrees with smoked applewood chips. Now onto a cheesecake batter, adding in cream cheese, heavy cream, white sugar, cornstarch, salt, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and 4 large eggs, one at a time. Give this a nice gentle mix just like so. Let the crust cool and then spray down with some more butter. Adding in our cream cheese mixture right on top, just like so. Wrap this in foil. Placing this into a pan for a nice water bath. Very nice. Back into our smoker for 2 hours or until it has set. Once it has been cooled in the fridge for 2+ hours, we're going to be adding in a Dulce De Leche sauce right on top. Adding in some chopped pecans. And there we have it. An amazing smoked Dulce De Leche cheesecake. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye.